Welcome to my channel. It's me, lera.calayag.wiebe. So for tonight, I'm going to unbox Sephora package, and I order few makeup and other stuff in there. And as we all know, that Sephora is quite expensive, so I'm just choosing the cheaper one because I'm not really into makeup. It's just like kung gusto ko lang mag-makeup din, ayun, or simple makeup only. So the first one I've got from my package is the Essence Pure Nude makeup. I like this one. Even if you put this in your face, it seems like you're not wearing a makeup. It's so nice. I love it. I mean, I love their concealer as well. Yeah. So I have this pair. I like that one. So it's been a long time that I'm using that one because it's like you're wearing no makeup. It's very simple. This is the one I'm wearing right now. It's just like nothing. But yeah, because I used that already this morning. And then I've got this. It's like a tube perfume. So I don't know where's the other one. The Atelier Cologne. But it seems like I'm frustrated with the smell. One of these I put it in my bag already this morning, but it seems like it's not my. I don't know, when I try this in the store, because we have a Sephora in here, it seems like I like it. But when I said to myself, maybe I'll just order that one when the price is lower, so I order, but it seems like I don't like it because it's like what is that? What is the smell of this? Like citrus. Yeah, it's a citrus. I like citrus smell, but I don't need this kind of smell. I changed my mind, so I'm gonna give this to my sister in Philippines. I'm gonna send this with to my balikbayan box. So I'm frustrated with that because I thought I like it. So, and then the other one is Naked, the Urban Decay Flash. Oh, I love this one. Even the packaging is very cute. And so there's the inside, and then see, and there's what's inside. It's a bronzer, highlighter, and a blush. It's very nice. And then there's a mirror in here. This one is on sale, so that's why I get this one. I never tried this one yet, so I like it. Even the packaging is very cute. Yeah, and then what else? And then I have this Essence again, like eyeliner brush. It's on sale. I guess this is only $1. Yeah, I guess this is only $1, so I get one. And then I have another correcting stick from Essence. I forgot I have this. Yeah, it's like orangey color, but I don't know if this will match with my skin because I usually wear with a tan color. So yeah, so what else I've got? Oh, and the Vini Tint, like a lip tint. It's not with me right now because I use it. I like it. It's very simple. This one is on sale too. So what else? And they will give you a free. Sample of the perfume. This is a Tory Burch. Seems like I like the smell. Yeah. It smells good. They give me 3 sample. Every order they're gonna give you a sample. And then there's one that is the Clinique. It's a foundation concealer. Foundation plus concealer concealer. So yeah, so this is what I've got in my package this 2 days ago, but I have no chance to film this one. And then this one I just got this in the elf section in the store, so I just include in my haul. And then I like this Wet n Wild Wet n Wild for kilay. It's very cheap. This is only about $1.50, I guess. So this is only, I have my makeup stuff is very cheap, so I'm not very choosy anyway. So I have this one, and then I have a set of the dandelion from Benefit. I like this too. It's like a blush. It's like peachy color. It's a peach color. Yeah, it's like you're not wearing any blush on. So I like that one too. And then for my lips, this is a Revlon case, the strawberry flavor. So I get this just in Walmart. And then this one, I was very intriguing. This one, we were in one of the grocery store, and then it's like I'm very attractive to colorful stuff. And then I was collecting with what is this called? What is this called? I forgot this one. I was collecting something like this. What is that called? I forgot. And then I was so excited looking at this like makeup. So I get some of this, and it's very cheap. This is $5 only. One of the grocery store in our area. So this is made from Australia. So I'm gonna try this one. This is lip tint. Yeah. So I don't know. Yeah, it's very cute. The packaging is so cute. Yeah. What is this called? I forgot. What the heck? Sorry. And then I got hand lotion as well. I don't know what's the smell of this. Oops. It's not open yet. Do I have a scissor in here? Oops, no scissor. I'm gonna try if it smells good. So I bought this also last day. So I don't know if it smells good. It's vanilla. It's macaron. I know now. This one is macaron. Yeah, I'm collecting something like that, like a keychain. What's the smell? Let me try. It's made in Australia, so why not? I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna try. It's not bad. It's just that I don't like the smell of vanilla. I'm just curious with it, so I tried. Yeah, so yeah, it's not bad. Your hands is very soft. It's so nice in the hand. I just ignore the smell because I don't like the smell. And then I have also one from Essence. What is this? Like for your eyes? Yeah. And then if a beginner like me, so there's some instruction in there. Yeah, so I love Essence product, really. Oh, sorry for the noise. And then there's another thing from this product from Australia. I have this. This is a lip balm. Yeah, there's different flavor: sugar rose, coconut, and then I don't know what's that yuzu all about. Sparkling yuzu. It's so this is from Australia. It's nice. I don't know. I'm just very curious with that. So, and then what else? I guess that's it. And then I have some of the, what is this, face mask. I get this from TJ Maxx. Yeah, because it's cheap. Excuse me, it's cheap in there too. So another topic for tonight is as a beginner, what I'm using to use for my vlogging is, it's very simple because I'm new, and then I can't decide yet if who knows, I don't like it the next month or what. So I'm just using phone from now. The one I'm using is Samsung Galaxy S6, and then I have another backup, the Canon. My husband gave me this one a few months ago, so I can use this as well for vlogging. My Canon Power Shot, and then he gave me this with match for both. My husband is always giving me a gift. He always surprises me, so I'm using this one too. And then I received a package yesterday from Samsung. I'm using a Samsung for now, for vlogging. So I have 3 choices that I can still use phone. It's easy to edit. And then, so this is my new vlogging camera. It's MV800, the Samsung MV800. So this is the one I'm going to use from now on. And then I bought a tripod for this, a small tripod. So the tripod, I was using this, sorry. What the heck I'm talking about? The tripod, I bought this in US last July. Walmart USA. Yeah, so this is the one I'm gonna use from now on. I have a video already with my baby because I tried it yesterday. So it's not bad because I'm just a beginner, so I need to be practical. I will not buy the very expensive Canon vlogging yet, the Canon vlogging camera, because what if I don't like vlogging the next month? So my vlogging now is just like trial and error first, because who knows, I don't like it the next month. So this is the only I just received this yesterday from eBay. I ordered it from Amazon. I mean, I ordered this from Amazon yesterday. So it's flipped like that and then like that. So it's very easy. It's a very easy camera to use it. So this is the one I'm using for now. So yeah, it's very simple. So just these 3. So my Canon Power Shot, and my Samsung. Yeah, that's the beginner. So that's it. And then my phone. I'm using my phone right now, the Samsung Galaxy S. That's what I'm using for vlogging. Yeah, so I guess that's it for my haul. I just received this package yesterday. Yeah, the Samsung. You can see the Samsung in there. Yeah, this is the box. So yeah, I'm so thankful for my husband because it seems like he support me with my vlogging now. Unlike before na sabi niya, ay nako, iwan ko magustuhan mo talaga yan kasi mag-video ka tapos mag-i-edit ka. Wala naman kasi akong ginawa sa wala kasi akong mga ginagawa pag nagnanap sila, kasi sabay silang magnapareho ni Seth at saka ni Blossom. Kaya ayun, sabi ko matry ko nga, hindi ko naman ito, basta parang kaaliwan ba ang term noon? Ano ba? Ewan ko. Just for fun. Not really for fun. Because, hi Kuya Seth. Here's my baby boy. It's okay. You need to close the door. Thank you. So, yeah. So, parang naaliw na rin ako, kumbaga. And then, andito lang din naman ako sa bahay. So, at saka, 3 times a week lumabas kami for my kids' activities. So, pag wala, andito lang kami. So, ayun, naaaliw ako. Honestly speaking, naaaliw na ako sa pagba-vlog talaga. So, okay my friends, thank you for watching my unboxing package from Sephora, and then from my vlogging stuff. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again in my next vlog. And please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. God bless. Bye. Bye, Kuya Seth. Have a wonderful night.